Welcome to Microsmiles Dental Care. I'm Dr. Praveen, a microendodontist and a restorative dentist. And this is
Dr. Kritika, Pediatric Dentist.
We are those folks who were abroad for quite some time and we learned all the technology and techniques and we really wished we worked there. However, it was India where we found our calling to implement world-class services and bring it to our home country. We are located in Nagar, the heart of Chennai. Chennai is one of the busiest metropolitans of South India.
At Microsmiles, we believe in providing a very warm welcome to all our guests. In India, we regard guests next to God. We also have a very warm, relaxing waiting area along with personalized entertainment. Not to forget the vibrant and the colorful area that our children love being at. We have a personalized snack bar. We have books of varieties for various ages. We love to meet and greet you all whenever you enter in and love to provide anything that you need with.
During your consultation, you will be surprised with the warmth of our doctors and our assistants. They'll take utmost care to examine you with care and precision. During this process, you will see that we'll be taking photographs of your pre-existing dental conditions using high-quality gadgets in a controlled environment. High-quality X-rays using German technology without moving from your place. You will experience digital dental X-rays like you've never experienced before. We use a state-of-the-art technology from Germany known as PSPs. Microsmiles is well equipped with 6 different suites with 6 different dental chairs. Each suite is specialized for a particular branch of dentistry. Suite 1 specializes in microendodontics, which means we are able to treat your tooth with utmost precision thanks to this device known as the dental operating microscope. The microscope helps your dentist treat the tiniest things inside your tooth with utmost detail and precision so that you can experience a pain-free and long-lasting dental work. If you've ever felt uncomfortable while smiling, you should check out our suite too. Welcome to the world of cosmetic dentistry. It is the most sought after branch by most of our patients. This is where we use the latest tech and gadgets to change your smile from a zero to hero. This is where we take care of gaps between teeth, broken teeth, discolored teeth, using our team of extremely professional and talented group of cosmetic doctors.
Suite 3 and Suite 6, the most interesting, the most colorful and the most vibrant of all the suites at Microsmiles Dental Care. This is where you have to bring your children for a dental visit. At the ground floor, we have a theme of snow, which is very rare to see in Chennai, and at the first floor we have an underwater theme. Children just love the suites. Most of our children who come to get treated say they never would want to leave the clinics. We have something which is called as consent, that is the laughing gas that makes children less anxious during the dental visits. We try to keep them as calm as possible and try and strive hard to give them the best dental experience ever. As they leave the clinic, they wait to come back to us for their next dental visit. At Microsmiles, we follow a combination of techniques like flavored gas masks, strawberry, bubblegum flavored. We use a lot of magics that we have under the carpet, and not to forget the most important distraction technique for the kid. The kid can watch whichever cartoon or whichever show he or she wants while the treatment is going on. They can just forget that something is actually going on in their teeth.
Well, it's not just the children who are afraid of dentistry. Adults dread dental procedures as well. Especially the painful dental procedures like root canals have to be treated with utmost care and with highest quality pain control measures, such as different local anesthetic devices, laughing gas, television to entertain you during the procedures, and a friendly environment. At Suite 4, we treat every patient under the dental operating microscope, allowing us to live telecast all the procedures on a high-definition television so that the attender of the patient can see the entire procedure being done live. At Suite 5, we have a dedicated room to treat the most complex maxillofacial surgeries, gum surgeries, and orthodontic patients under the supervision of the most experienced consultants from all around Chennai.
We also have a customized valet parking for all your private vehicles. At Microsmiles, we focus on providing world-class dental care with the highest dental quality products for all our patients.
At Microsmiles, we have a room dedicated for sterilization to meet the WHO standards of sterilization. We use a Class N autoclave and powerful and efficient ultrasonic cleaner to remove debris which are sticking to the instruments, and all instruments are cleaned under magnification. We are very proud of our large team, which consists of over 20 members who have been trained in various specialities and are picked from the top tier of the dental training institutes in our country. We welcome you to experience our services. We want all our patients not to just have a microsmile, but to have a big macro smile when they go out and become one of our family members.
Because only when you smile, we smile. Thank you so much, everyone. Looking forward to meet you soon.